toys from off the floor. Put them neatly by the door. Teddy blocks and little train. Cleanup time is fun again. Help mommy, yes we do. Little hands can help out too. Sweep and wipe and smile all day. Helping makes the happy way. Carry clothes into the basket. Fold the napkin nice and fast. Tiny feet go tap, tap, tap. Helping mommy, clap, clap, clap. Help mommy, yes we do. Little hands can help out too. Wash the spoon and clean the plate. Helping out feels really great. Water flowers in the sun. Helping mommy's lots of fun. Feed the puppy, fill the bowl. Helping hearts make happy souls. Oops, a little water spill. Wipe it up, we've got the skill. Laugh together, sing hooray. Helping brightens every day. Set the table, 1, 2, 3. Fork and cup for family. Mommy smiles and gives a hug. Warm and cozy like a rug. Help mommy, yes we do. Big kind hearts and helpers too. Every little thing we try makes mommy smile big and high. Helping hands and happy hearts, that's where every good day starts. Wave goodbye and shout hooray. We helped mommy all today. Kav&Av to